Are blueberries more nutritious than strawberries? This is a common question among fruit lovers and health enthusiasts. Both berries are known for their vibrant colors, sweet flavors, and numerous health benefits. But which one reigns supreme nutritionally? Whether you're making a smoothie, topping your yogurt, or grabbing a handful for a snack, understanding the differences between these superfoods can help you make informed choices. Let's look at the nutrients, health benefits, and unique qualities of blueberries and strawberries to see how they compare.
Nutrient Showdown. Blueberries are a source of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color.
These antioxidants help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. A 1-cup serving of blueberries provides about 84 calories, 4 grams of dietary fiber, and is rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. Strawberries, on the other hand, are slightly lower in calories, with about 50 calories per cup. They are also rich in vitamin C, nearly 150% of your daily recommended intake in a single cup. Additionally, strawberries are a good source of manganese, folate, and potassium. They're slightly lower in fiber compared to blueberries, but make up for it with their hydrating quality, as strawberries are composed of about 91% water.
Antioxidant Power. When it comes to antioxidants, blueberries take the lead.
They have one of the highest antioxidant capacities among fruits, making them excellent for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. Strawberries, while slightly behind, still offer impressive amounts of antioxidants like ellagic acid and quercetin, which are known to have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. Sugar and glycemic index. If you're watching your sugar intake or managing blood sugar levels, strawberries might be the better choice. They have a lower glycemic index, around 40, compared to blueberries, about 53, meaning they're less likely to cause blood sugar spikes. This makes strawberries a great option for those with diabetes or anyone looking for a low-sugar fruit. Unique health benefits. Blueberries have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function, earning them the nickname brain berries. Regular consumption has also been associated with lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels. Strawberries shine when it comes to heart health as well, thanks to their high levels of polyphenols. They've also been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and improve skin health, making them a popular choice for beauty-conscious eaters. Which should you choose? The answer depends on your specific health goals. If you're looking for a lower-calorie option with more vitamin C and hydrating properties, strawberries are a fantastic pick. If brain health and antioxidant power are your priorities, blueberries may be your go-to. Ultimately, including both in your diet provides a wide range of nutrients and benefits, offering the best of both worlds. Rather than choosing one over the other, why not enjoy both? Mix blueberries and strawberries into a colorful fruit salad, blend them into smoothies, or use them as toppings for your favorite desserts. Each berry brings its unique strengths to the table, making them both excellent choices for a healthy diet. Watch the next video for more nutritional and health tips. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel.